Good afternoon, everyone. So today, little video for my Husqvarna 141. It's going up on eBay for spares or repair. It's a saw that I've never cut with. It's just been filling a gap in my collection. So from the early 36, I think, which they started back in, can't think when that was, I think in the 90s, 89, 90 or 91, something like that. And then through to the 37, and then the 141, the 142. So this is my 141, so it's a 40cc. I think they started making these in 1998, and it's running a genuine Husqvarna bar. Chain I think is sharp, but I haven't never cut with it. They didn't come with felling spikes, so I put a brand new felling spike on it just because I think they look better with it, and that keeps the wood off the front of the saw. Exhaust looks in good condition. Chain brake, as far as I know, is working fine. Throttles well. So you'll be, along with me, you'll be the first to see me cutting with it. And it's going up for spares or repair on eBay. So like I say, I made these were made from 98 on, so it's probably around 20 or so years old. So please bear in mind, like I say, I've never cut with it, so it may need adjusting for cutting in wood. I guess we're about to find out. Cosmetically, it's really nice. It's all intact. Chain catcher present. Chain brake, I believe, works fine. Kill switch. Okay, well, it's always useful. You get a lot of information cutting with something for the very first time, so the chain could definitely do with a tiny bit of a sharpen. It feels sharp, it could definitely do with a tiny bit sharpen, and it feels like it's slightly lean at the top end in the cut. So please bear that in mind, and any questions, anybody wants to come out and take a look at the saw, you'd be more than welcome. Hi again, guys. I don't know what happened there. I've come back and the camera's off. Okay, so I'll show it starting again, show it doing another couple of cuts, and like I say, it might be suitable for one of you guys out there. It's up for spares or repair on eBay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I think it needs a slight adjustment in the cut. Just needs tweaking very slightly, so please bear that in mind. And the chain, I think, does need a sharpen. Okay, thanks for watching anybody. Any questions, please just message. Anyone wants to come out and take a look at this or try it, you're more than welcome. Bye for now.